Hi, Jim at Snedeker's here in our state-of-the-art process lab in Howell, where every day our team performs clothing care magic. If you're here, you're probably considering scheduling a pickup, and maybe you're not quite sure what to do. In this video, I'll show you how. Just step into my office. Well, hello. There's two things I'd like you to know before we get started. One, we will never share your information. Two, I back our quality and service with my 100% money-back guarantee. Sound good? Great, let's go.
Click on the form right next to this video. Add your contact info and address. Enter your method of payment. Choose your pickup and delivery dates. Add photos of your items and attach notes if you'd like. Driver and cleaning instructions are helpful. Select your cleaning preferences and confirm your order.
Congratulations, you've just made your life a little easier. If you'd like to know what to expect next, just scroll down to our What to Expect Next video and check out our Learning Center and Cleaning Tips pages at snedekers.com. Welcome aboard, and thanks for choosing Snedekers.